Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can download and install Kalshi on your phone. It's pretty simple to do, and I'll go ahead and show you right now. So first you want to open up the App Store, then come down to the bottom right where it says search. Go up to the search bar, tap on that, and then type in Kalshi, like so. Go ahead and click on where it says search. And you want to look for this app right here. Go ahead and tap on where it says get, then confirm you want to install it. Now it's going to start downloading the app. Once the app's finished downloading, you can go ahead and tap on where it says open, or you can open it from your home screen. From here, you're going to need to sign up for Kalshi. You can either use your Google account, your Apple account, or you can use a email and password. That's going to ask you to enter in your date of birth. You are going to need to be 18 years or older to actually open up an account, and you also must live inside of the US. Then it's going to ask you to enter in your phone number. Next, you're going to need to verify your account and enter in your correct information. From here, it's going to ask you if you want to deposit cash into Kalshi. You can either use a bank transfer or a wire transfer. I'll select the bank transfer and then enter in the amount I want to deposit. It's going to ask us to connect our bank account using Plaid. Go ahead and click on where it says continue. You're going to need to enter in your phone number. Then you're going to need to choose the bank you want to connect. That's going to verify that you want to deposit this amount. Go ahead and click on where it says submit. It'll say your cash has been deposited. I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says done. And now we can finally use the Kalshi app. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.